Hi everyone, merhaba. This is Ayşenur Altan. It's afternoon. I have nothing at home for dinner, so I decided to make this video to show you how I decide what I make daily. Probably you are also dealing with every day. If you are home cook, sometimes you just end up with the ideas. So today we're gonna make an easy meal. In 15 minutes it's gonna be ready to cook. So let's begin. I begin with my main dish, baked potato casserole with ground beef. I have already cooked ground beef at fridge. It is easy, just handy whenever you want to make. You can add for your soup or main dish. And while it's cooking, I cut one big size onion and saute them together until they have some color. Next, I'm gonna prepare the potatoes. I have 5 kind of big size potatoes, could be about close to 1 kilogram. I need to check the onion and ground beef, adding some salt. About 3-4 green peppers, I have them already in the freezer. Boiling water for the pasta so it gets ready, and adding 1 heaped tablespoon tomato paste and continue to saute. I'm also gonna flavor it with about 4 cloves of garlic. Seasoning it with some salt, black pepper and red pepper flakes. It is optional, just to give more flavor you can add about a tablespoon of butter and then hot water to cover and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. So now I can continue with my potatoes. I cut them in half and then slice to 1/2 centimeter thickness. So you know what? Since my potatoes are very big, this casserole will not be enough to spread my potatoes. So I'm gonna use this one. If you are making it for 3-4 person, that you're gonna finish in one day, so this will be enough for like 2 big potatoes or 3, but since I want to eat for at least 2 days, I'm making it more. Season it additionally with some salt. Well, the sauce has salt, but I want to separately add some. And then next, the sauce we made. I'm gonna get every bit of this delicious sauce, so we also want to have some left to dip our bread, so we can add a bit more. And I'm gonna slice 1 tomato. So it's ready to go to oven in 200 Celsius degree, 20 minutes closed, and then I'm gonna open and continue to cook for about 20-30 more minutes. So it took about 15 minutes to prepare my dish to oven, and while it's cooking, I'm gonna make my soup and pasta in 15 minutes. I have hot water ready here, and for the pasta too. For the yogurt soup with orzo pasta, yoğurtlu şehriye çorbası, I heated up some olive oil along with 1 tablespoon each dried mint and red pepper flakes. And after I get some nutty smell, I added hot water and homemade meat stock. The meat stock has melted. I'm adding a little more than half cup orzo pasta to my soup. And while it's cooking, I'm gonna prepare the terbiye, the sauce for the soup. It's very easy. 1 cup yogurt, 1 egg, and about 2 tablespoons leveled all-purpose flour. Make sure to warm it up with hot water while whisking so it doesn't curdle when you add to the soup. In the last minute, I decided to add 1 carrot to give some more flavor and vitamin to my soup. Just grate, add, and cook until it is soft. So I'm done. It took about 1 hour and 15 minutes total with the cleaning everything, but in 15 minutes I was able to put this to the oven and another 15 minutes to make the soup and pasta and the salad. Wow, it smells delicious, very easy. Let's try it. It's baked well, still has juices which I wanted. It's baked well with the sauce, very delicious. Has the taste from the oven, and the soup is also very easy. So give it a try. Give me your ideas, and if you like this to be a series, and I have already on my channel too, make sure to check them from the links down below. And I hope to see you in another delicious Turkish food recipes and travel vlogs. Afiyet olsun.